Yes, anyone tell me? जसं आपण C++ मध्ये एरर आहे, एरर कॉन्सेप्ट आहे. एरर कॉन्सेप्ट केव्हा येतो? कंपाईल केल्यानंतर आपलं सिंगल कोट, सेमिकोलॉन मिसिंग झाल्यानंतर आपल्याला एरर येते. येस, एम आय करेक्ट? एम आय करेक्ट और नो? तुम्ही पूर्णपणे सांगा, कोणीतरी रिप्लाय द्या, चॅट मध्ये द्या. नो एनी इश्यूज. इफ यू राईट इट इन टू चॅट, नो एनी प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, सिंपल. एरर अँड एक्सेप्शन मध्ये मेन डिफरन्स काय आहे? एरर हे आपल्याला कंपाईल टाइम रिकॉग्नाइज होतात आणि एक्सेप्शन हे रन टाइम ऑकर्ड होतात. ओके, all of you got it? The main differences, the main difference of that? Yes? Hello? काहीतरी बोला. Yes, speak up. हे कोणी कोणी
Invalid syntax or error due to space.
Yes, means induct. Okay, means inductation. Yes? एरर हे सिंपल असतात. तुम्ही एकीकडे सिंगल कोट दिलं, दुसरीकडे डबल कोट दिलं, देन यू गॉट दी एरर. हे सिंपल, हे सी मध्ये होतं, C++ मध्ये होतं आणि पायथॉन मध्ये पण होतं. पण इथे पायथॉन मध्ये तुम्हाला एरर प्रिंट होणार नाही. इथे एक्सेप्शन अकर्ड होणार. ऑल ऑफ यू गेट दी नोट ऑफ इट. पायथॉन मध्ये तुम्हाला कंपायलर टाइम एरर येत नाही, तुम्हाला एक्सेप्शन टाइप एरर येतात, म्हणजे रन टाइम एरर येतात. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट? We will take the sum of the example. Okay, because of totally theory you should be bored. Yes, then we will go for our simple example, error and exception. Okay, मी share करते full screen म्हणजे means we can understand. Okay, I think so I will not having the Python right now. Okay, no, yes, I have having the editors, no issues. We will take the some error and exception example because of you don't know about the error and exception. Okay, suppose you write it here, simple, print, we will write it here single quote, welcome. All of you see my screen? Is it visible? My code is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happened here? We can directly run your program. Yes, but which type of error is here occurred here? Yes, yes, syntax error.
Syntax error.
Yes, but this type of error occurred at the runtime. But in C++, आपण ते कंपाईल टाइमला ऑकर होणारे एरर रिमूव्ह करायचो. येस, कंपाईल टाइमला ऑकर होणारे एरर रिमूव्ह करायचं. पण पायथॉन मध्ये we got the error at the runtime. This is mean by exception. Okay, all of you got it? See what is mean by error and what is mean by exception? Yes? Yes, all of you speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then we will move forward to next point. Means invalid syntax anytime you got at the runtime. It is called as exception. Error can occur at the runtime. It is called as a exception. Okay, all of you got it? The idea of exception. What is meant by exception? Yes. Then they are having the exception handling. They are having different type of exception. Okay, a file not found error, zero division error, import error, okay, zero division error, okay. Zero division error, when you got zero division error, 0 divided by 2 means you have got whatever zero division error you got it here, okay. Overflow error raised when the result of arithmetic operation, okay. File not found error means try to open file that does not exist, okay. They are having catching exception. They are having two statement, try, except. Try statement and except clause, okay. ट्राय स्टेटमेंट मध्ये आपण ते लाईन प्रिंट होणार त्याच्यामध्ये एरर ऑकर्ड होते. म्हणजे कोणती लाईन? हॅलो प्रिंट हॅलो सिंगल कोट अँड राईट इट डबल कोट, ओके. यू गॉट दिस एरर ऍट दी प्रिंट वेलकम. मग ती लाईन ती स्टेटमेंट तुम्ही ट्राय ब्लॉक मध्ये यूज करणार, ओके. येस, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. आणि एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक मध्ये कोणती एरर आहे ती आपण प्रिंट करणार, ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट, आयडिया ऑफ इट? येस, का ओव्हरफ्लो होते? येस, टेल मी. Don't take tension, it is covered by your training side, okay. Don't worry, but we can revise the concept, clear the concept, okay. Yes. Yes. बोला काहीतरी. You tell in Marathi, no problem. You write it in your chat box. Very good. Yes. Means you can write it, try statement, whatever your exception, whatever which statement you got the error, you write it into try block. And which exception, which type of exception occurred in your program, you write it into except block, okay. Yes, they are having the try except statement, try block, run this code, next block, run this code if exception occurred, which type, okay. Next one, continue. Try, run this code means whatever which statement you got the error, write it here, okay. Except block, which type of error occurred at your program, okay. Else block, run this code if having no any error. म्हणजे तुमच्यात कोण प्रोग्राम मध्ये एरर ऑकर्डच नाहीये तर तुम्ही ते रन करायची. रन हे एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक रन होणार नाही, एल्स ब्लॉक रन होणार, ओके. तुम्हाला याचं प्रॅक्टिकल हवंय का? येस, इफ आय हॅव्हिंग प्रॅक्टिकल, if you are having the if you want to practical, tell me. listen carefully. I will send you tomorrow program of exception handling. Okay, you do it and send me the screenshot. Okay, we will not go for multiple exception. Okay, in the multiple exception with the except clause, declaring the multiple exception is useful in the cases where the try block throws a multiple exception. Means you can write it multiple catch try block throws in multiple exception. Means throws keyword used for multiple exception. Okay, means throws exception, you write it multiple exception, means IO exception, arithmetic exception, any type. You can write it this block to throws. Okay, next one, try and finally block. Try and finally block. Try block, we can use it for statement. Okay, means which type, म्हणजे कोणत्या लाईनला तुम्हाला एरर येते ते ट्राय ब्लॉक स्टेटमेंट ला आपण राईट करायचं. ओके, and finally block, whenever your program having exception or any type of error, compulsory execute the finally block. Okay, it is compulsory execute. Okay, all of you got it. I will tell in into short form because of you should be understood very well in the line, single line, into single line. Okay, finally block हे एक कंपल्सरी एक्झिक्यूट होतेच. ओके, yes, then they are having the try statement. Try block, you can write it here code. Except block, you can write it which type of exception is here. Then in your program, no any exception, you write it, else otherwise final block. Okay, raise exception, user exception, and close it. Okay, this is your first exception handling point. Okay, user defined means we can write it single quote and double quote. Which type of exception? Syntax invalid, syntax error. Yes, this is the user defined exception. Means we can define it in your own. म्हणजे आपल्या प्रोग्राम मध्येच एरर होते, आपण राईट करताना प्रोग्राम मध्ये एरर आहेत. ओके, एरर आहेत ते युजर डिफाईन एक्सेप्शन. म्हणजे काय होणार? युजर डिफाईन एक्सेप्शन. मीन्स हिअर सी हिट हिअर सिंटॅक्स एरर. दिस इज युअर युजर डिफाईन एक्सेप्शन. मीन्स मी हे एरर ऑकर्ड केलेले आहे. येस, ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट? Yes or no? Okay, we will stop here. Write down your roll number, name into chat box. We will not. हॅलो, तुम्हाला कुणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये ना? तुम्ही करू शकता ना प्रॅक्टिकल? येस, येस, कोणीतरी एक जण रिप्लाय करा. येस और नो? ऐश्वर्या 35 रोल नंबर. 35 रोल नंबर. Please pick up. Why you are so much silent in our last session? That's why you are so much silent. Otherwise, what happened? Tell me fast. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. We will revise once again 5 minutes. Tomorrow we will revise the concept. Okay. And I will send you the program also, exception handling. Okay. Don't worry of it. Please wait for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes you wait for. Because of 5 minutes time. Don't leave the session. If you are having question, if you are having the doubt, tell me. Truecaller. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. Then anyone having any problem, then you tell me in the 5 minutes. We will wait for 5 minutes. Okay. If you are having no doubt, then we will stop here. Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. We will stop here. You are having good day, good session. Okay. Thank you very much.